Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search around smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said that she want me, well I want to too. I text her at 10 when I'm in the mood. She shaking it slow, she know what to do. Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search around smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said that she want.
What's the deal, Smooth Gang? We back with another banger video today. Today, we're in the 392 again. I just know the routine by now. I'll bring y'all constant 392 bangers. Red seats in the back too. Bring y'all constant bangers. We did this at 1K subs, y'all did know. Thank y'all for that. So, without further ado, let's get to this banger. Oh yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, subscribe. If you're not new, make sure you leave a like and comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know if the video was good. Let me know. Hey, just let me know what you did today, you feel me? But hey, we better get to it. We're at the G-Way right now, getting some gas. Chargers pulled up in this bit, clean bit right there. Nice little Daytona. But yeah, we getting some gas right now. I don't know what she doing. Grandma in that Daytona? Grandma in the Daytona? Jeez. But yeah, we better get this gas to get on the road. You got a nice little start up. Put the windows down. This nigga on, man. Get your ass up doing that. Sideways to eco. We really just got sideways in eco mode though. That's crazy. I didn't even think that was possible, to be honest. For the first time getting sideways in eco, I did not think that shit could happen. Try to. I'm like kind of cooking this shit. Got the alarms going off. And eco though, like bro, all this is happening to eco.
What the fuck was that?
Sport. Like it's finna rain for real. Y'all know Detroit would though. I wouldn't doubt if it would rain. Sport mode, I mean. Let's turn the traction off. I don't even know why we just start always turning that off. Traction is off.
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket. What do you gain from that?
Trying to get nasty, man. We're not time, but I just turned it off just in case we get nasty. You see back there, we spent some shit. They messed it up again. Speeding up back there, you fool. That boy is full down. Long ass light. Come on, Unky, what you doing? I swear, Unky going about 15 miles per hour. Look how fast I'm going. He gotta be going like 12, 15. I know he give me cause this light being broke at a scrap. The reason I ain't hit it cause I think I see the police, so that's why.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No bullshit, bro.
I wonder what, man, why you ain't hit it? Thought I seen the police. The scat up there, I don't know if you can see that, but I see the scat. Oh, I see that. He had Widebody too? Shit, Widebodies gotta do when they see each other. Cause he tripped too. I don't know if y'all can see, I don't know if y'all seen that, but. Nice, he had the all black stripes. We'll put it in custom. Should just custom over there. Got it like that. Leave a like for that one right there. We're going to start in every corner to that foot. Widebody over there leaving. So he going the wrong way though. That's the way I just tripped. So shit, they see him, they probably be like, damn bro, we heard that noise, bro. Why you tripping like that?
Got him!
I'm about to spin the block for the we'll do this for content only, or we'll do a burn off in front of their house phone. Got some little kids in there, man. Say, y'all like, look, they told some hit it for the one time. Like, you know I got you the nigga scared shit. You know I got you the skate. I always want to do a gender reveal for somebody. Like, hit the gas and shit. Shit would come out. Make sure y'all leave a like if y'all haven't yet. My nigga Slim. Hell yeah. I'm out here getting content right now. Coming over to burn up real quick.